Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Blood agar showing three types of hemolysis. So in the blood agar we have alpha hemolysis, beta hemolysis and gamma hemolysis. Alpha hemolysis will show greenish colored uh, hemolyzed material is seen in alpha hemolysis. Then in beta hemolysis you will see complete hemolysis is seen. Alpha hemolysis is a little partial hemolysis. Gamma hemolysis is no hemolysis is seen in gamma hemolysis. So alpha hemolysis. So on the basis of hemolysis, you can divide the streptococci into three groups. Alpha hemolysis, where there is partial and greenish hemolysis. So this is alpha hemolysis, which is partial hemolysis, and that is the reason why you can see the streak still. The organisms are still seen here. So it is alpha hemolysis. Alpha hemolysis is seen in Streptococcus viridans and Streptococcus pneumonia. Then we have second type, which is beta hemolytic streptococci. Beta hemolysis is by complete or yellowish hemolysis. This beta hemolysis is mainly done by beta hemolytic streptococci. So this is complete hemolysis where you cannot see the organisms at all. So this is beta hemolysis, which is by streptococcus, beta hemolytic streptococci. Then we have gamma hemolysis. In gamma hemolysis, no hemolysis is seen at all, and that is the reason you can clearly see the streak of the organisms which are growing, and there is no hemolysis. So this gamma hemolysis is seen in enterococcal species.
thank you and thank you for watching.